सच बताना, सुबह उठते ही सबसे पहला काम तुम क्या करते हो? फ़ोन उठाते हो, राइट? क्या देखते हो? रील स्क्रॉल करते हो, ईमेल्स चेक करते हो या फिर नोटिफिकेशंस देखते हो. बट डू यू नो, एट द सेम टाइम यू आर ऑल्सो अब्जॉर्विंग some stress and negativity. One bad email, low views on your post, or maybe some negative news, they can silently affect your mood before your day even begins. And in this video, I'll tell you the 3 morning rituals that all the power performers or successful people or the successful entrepreneurs perform or to manifest their goals. And trust me, the final step is something that most of the people ignore, but it could be the reason why they stay distracted throughout the day. So watch this video till the end. Number 1 ritual, gratitude. The very first habit that you can develop is gratitude. करना कैसे है? कुछ भी नहीं है. सुबह उठते ही सबसे पहले अपने हाथ जोड़ो, या फिर लिख भी सकते हो आप, और कोई 5 ऐसी चीज़ें या 10 ऐसी चीज़ें जिसको सोचते ही आपके मन में ग्रैटिट्यूड वाली फीलिंग आती हो. For example, I feel gratitude for having a beautiful family. I feel gratitude for having a beautiful home. I feel gratitude for having a beautiful wife. I feel gratitude for my job that is giving me a financial freedom. I'm grateful for the opportunities which are coming into my life. It could be anything basically. कोई भी छोटी से छोटी चीज़. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आपने एक नया आईफोन खरीदा अपने खुद के पैसों से. आई फील ग्रेटफुल कि भगवान ने मुझे इस काबिल बनाया कि मैंने आज अपने पैसों से एक आईफोन खरीदा है खुद के लिए. या फिर हो सकता है आपने अपने मॉम डैड को कुछ एक चीज़ गिफ्ट करी हो. सो फील ग्रेटफुल फॉर दैट. आई फील ग्रेटफुल दैट भगवान ने मुझे इस काबिल बनाया, ऊपर वाले ने मुझे इस काबिल बनाया कि आज मैं अपने मॉम डैड को कुछ अपने पैसों से कुछ गिफ्ट दे सकता हूँ. नाउ हियर इज व्हाई दिस वर्क्स. द मोमेंट you start focusing on what you already have, your emotional state begins to shift, and the manifestation is deeply connected with your emotional energy. And this gratitude journaling, it creates a feeling of abundance, that जो भी ऊपर वाले ने आपको दिया है, that is enough, and you feel grateful for that. And people who feel abundant, they naturally think bigger than what they have. They act better and attract better experiences in their life. Now this first habit may look a little simpler, but the next ritual is very powerful. Stay tuned. Second ritual, write your goals daily. You must have already seen doing this by your father. आपके पापा करते होंगे already, या हो सकता है आपके दादाजी करते थे, क्या करते हैं. And this is a very powerful ritual. करना क्या होता है शायद आपको already पता है, अब मैं फिर भी एक बार बता देता हूँ. 5 ऐसे लॉन्ग टर्म गोल्स लिखो जो आप ओवर द पीरियड ऑफ few years, over the next few years basically you want to achieve. Let's say in next 5 years you want to achieve. क्या हो सकता है? It could be your own house, it could be your own car, it could be a financial freedom, it could be another source of passive income, another source of income basically. बट इसे ना साल में एक बार नहीं लिखना है या महीने में एक बार नहीं लिखना है, इसको डेली सुबह उठ के लिखना है. And this is something many successful people have been doing this for years. इसके बाद write 5 short term goals, basically goals for the day. It could be anything, जैसे कि finishing an important task, आज जिम में जाना है, रात को सोने से पहले 10 पेज किताब के पढ़ने ही पढ़ने हैं, learning a new skill set, or it could be as simple as spending some time with your family, or maybe with your wife, or with your kids. और इसके बाद comes the most important part. Write 5 emotions that you want to feel today. It could be, for example, I want to feel happy today. I want to feel fulfilled today. I want to feel satisfied today. Or I want to be very focused today in my work. I want to feel very productive today. Because होता क्या है, mostly people actually focus more on actions, but it is also important to understand that your emotions, or basically how you feel, plays a very important role in shifting your frequency. And that frequency basically influences your energy, and your energy basically influences how you are going to behave throughout the day. And when you consciously decide that how you want to feel throughout the day, your mind starts searching for those actions that matches the emotion. And I have observed that there are many people जो goals लिखते तो हैं, but they don't write how they want to feel throughout the day. So that's why writing your emotion is also as important as writing your goals. And the next step is very important. Why? Because sometimes the very biggest thing which is stopping you is not what you are doing. It's what we continue repeating every single day without realizing it. So ritual number 3, write what you must avoid today. And this final ritual is very simple, but this is very important. Write just one thing that you don't want to do today or you want to avoid today. It could be anything. For example, you have decided कि आज मैं overthinking बिल्कुल नहीं करूँगा. जहाँ मुझे लगा कि मैं overthink कर रहा हूँ, I'll stop myself and I'll stop overthinking. या फिर आज मैं doom scrolling नहीं करूँगा, बस scrolling करे जा रहा हूँ, वो नहीं करूँगा आज मैं. या फिर maybe today you want to stop wasting energy on unnecessary things that you are aware of but you have not been doing it for some time. So today आज आप ये decide करोगे कि आज मैं unnecessary चीज़ों में अपना time waste या अपनी energy नहीं लगाऊंगा. And you will be very surprised how one small negative habit repeated daily can quietly destroy your focus, your confidence and manifestation energy. Because sometimes growth is not just about adding good habits. It is also sometimes removing those habits that actually drain your energy. And this one small exercise can actually create some sort of self-awareness. Because now you are aware कि आपको क्या करना है और क्या नहीं करना है. So write one thing that you don't want to do daily. And you know what? Self-awareness is the first step towards manifesting your dream life. Last में बस इतना ही कहूँगा कि these rituals are not magic. They will not bring change immediately, but they can slowly change your mindset, your energy, your focus. इस रूटीन को सिर्फ 5 मिनट दो every morning for the next 7 days, and you will observe how differently you have started feeling now at the beginning of your day and through rest of your day. Try करो. And if this video helped you, do not forget to subscribe this channel and do comment. Thank you. Bye bye.